Hello and welcome. We are a group of academics here at Durham University in the UK. My name is Taha Rajab, and with me are Nicola Ryman and Julie Rattray. We are part of the Intercultural Reflection on Teaching team, and in this introductory video, we are going to talk to you about some of the legal and ethical challenges that we faced during the implementation of the project. Julie, thank you very much for joining us. Could you please tell us what this case study is about?
So the case study really focuses on some of the legal and ethical issues and how we address them, and it highlights some of the challenges that we've had to overcome, because intercultural reflection on teaching involves not just recording teaching activities, but then it's about sharing information about those recordings and giving access to those recordings to participants from different countries. And as you can imagine, that raises some interesting legal and ethical issues that needed to be addressed. And as the project unfolded, we got questions from potential participants about how we might or how they might address those issues or deal with those issues. So we put together this case study to help people deal with them.
Thank you, Julie. Now, Nicola, what can you say is the take-home message out of this case study, please?
So what our experience has taught us that you really need to know the legal and policy context in which you're operating. Intercultural reflection on teaching involves people from different institutions, different countries, so the context is very different. So find out what it is in your place, and it helps if you know the right people who can help you to find out. The other thing is that we were really committed to make the methods that we've been using as inclusive and accessible as possible. That can be complex sometimes, and the case study includes our reflections on some of the barriers to participation, but also how they can be overcome.
Thank you, Nicola. Thank you, Julie. If you'd like to find more about the case study and what the legal and policy context that you need to know and the other matters that you need to be aware of when implementing the intercultural reflection on teaching, please visit our website and download the full case study. Thank you for watching this.